In this video from Device Doctor, we will fix the Epson WF-C5790 Error 031011. Watch the full process carefully to see how this problem is solved step by step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Error 031011 is a common printer error on the Epson Workforce Pro WF-C5790 series. This problem usually appears when the printer cannot properly communicate with the printhead during startup or initialization. In many cases, the printer stops working completely and continuously displays the error message on the screen. This issue can be related to the printhead, FFC cable, mainboard, damaged pins, poor electrical connection, or a short circuit inside the printhead communication system. Because several different parts can cause the same error, careful inspection and proper troubleshooting are very important before replacing expensive components. To check the printhead, FFC cable, and mainboard and find the exact cause of the error, we first need to disassemble the printer and remove its covers. Watch the process carefully and follow each step slowly and safely to avoid damaging any internal components. Since the printhead is completely clean and there is no ink leakage or damage around its connectors, the problem does not appear to be coming from the printhead itself. So we will set the printhead aside and continue checking the other components. Next, we will carefully inspect the FFC cable to make sure all of its pins are properly transferring the electrical signals. This cable must be checked closely, because if there is any damage, short circuit or connection problem, it may need to be repaired or replaced. Carefully inspect both sides of the printhead connectors to make sure there are no damaged pins, dirt, ink leakage, or connection problems. Here you can clearly see that one of the pins is shorted and cut, which prevents the proper electrical signal from being transmitted. At this point, there are two options. You can either replace the cable with a new one if available, or if a replacement is not available, you can carefully cut the damaged section so that the cable becomes even and aligned with the remaining pins. Now we will reassemble all the parts we removed and test the printer again to see whether the problem has been resolved or not. Now connect the printer to the power source and test it to see whether the printer is fully repaired and working properly again. That is it for this video. As you saw, the Epson WF-C5790 Error 031011 was caused by a damaged FFC cable pin that interrupted the communication between the printer components. After carefully inspecting the internal parts and repairing the damaged cable, the printer returned to normal operation and started working properly again. Errors like this can sometimes be related to the printhead, FFC cable, connectors, or even the main board. So proper troubleshooting and careful inspection are very important before replacing expensive parts unnecessarily. If this video helped you, please support Device Doctor by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell for more printer repair and troubleshooting tutorials. Thank you for watching.